I'm just adjusting the scene even more. I want to make it to where I can nicely and comfortably have my control panel open. That way I don't start doing dumb stuff. I can see what I'm doing. The music she is a-generating. Pretty small little area, but I mean, you don't need to see that much. As long as I can see what you're seeing, I think it'll be good. It's actually better too for y'all because it magnifies it a little bit. Cool if it could like highlight the area. Let's see if that can do. Let's see. Is there a way to do that? OBS highlight display capture area. Hold the Alt key while dragging. What does holding the Alt key do? See. Alright, well, I think it's good enough for now. I mean, it does the job for me. It's getting cold. It's very early in the morning. Thank you for joining in. If I can't see you, I apologize. But you know, YouTube is YouTube. Ooh. So what to make with AI is the question. First thing I want to do is create a new folder for this. I want to make something that I know we can make. So we're going to make an AI image reader. Actually, we'll call it AI meme reader. Now, if anybody really codes and they join in on this, they should be ashamed of me, and I'm ashamed of myself because honestly, this is atrocious. I gotta pin my OBS at this point. I got my thumb, so I can get that out of there. I gotta make sure I'm not coding in the no-no area. Lock that square in there. Coding in the no-no. Coding in my no-no area. That's gonna be another catchy title. Coding in my no-no area. All the perverts are gonna watch. We're gonna have fun, me and the pervs. Pervs are probably fun to hang out with. Unless maybe you're the one they're perving on. Or perhaps you're Impervious. Pervy. Pervin. Let's check this out. Let's do hip hop this time. I mean, we're allowed to do that, right? Happy, elegant. All right. Nice. Oh wow, we got some engagements there. Nice. Some impressions. I think the new thumbnail finally took. Okay, so that's how long it takes. But I do still want to pivot to AI because I do think it's going to be catchier, and I think this time of morning we need catchiness. We need catchiness to get people in. So I'm just going to go straight to that because I know. Actually, no, I got to get to Tesseract first. This may be. I forget how big this is. These people are very German. Normally we run Tesseract on Debian, GNU Linux, but there was also a need for Linux Windows, or for Windows version. That is why we built it. Just reads very rigid. You know what I mean? Let's check it out. I gotta pop this out again, I guess. I gotta jam everything over here so that everybody can see it. There we go. All the people that are gonna join, am I right? All of them. It's gonna be like so many. Probably not. This music's pretty dope, huh? Let's see, did we get Tesseract OCR? Oh, just as I give it a compliment, it cuts out on me. Just like my mother. Here we go. All right. Oops. All right, without further ado, I think this is going well. So go ahead and get that going. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Next, finish. Okay. So I need to go back to YouTube and upload a new thing. Thumbnail. Gotta upload a new thumbnail. New thumbnail for the stream. And I'm gonna trusty I making a live stream on YouTube. Me making a cringe, not a cringe. The theme is Python and AI. Can you come up with a title and description to that is so compelling that people must click? I like this, except I wanted it to be unleashing the power of AI. Unleashing the true power of AI. I don't like the word extravaganza. That sucks. Oh, I got more music going on. There we go. Don't need this anymore. Dive into the future of Taylor Live. Blah, 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 blah. It is not made for children. I do say the F word quite a bit. Oh. Hit that like and subscribe, y'all. I am trying to get subscribers. I think I could start a pretty good program here where we code things together. I'm a real engineer. That's my actual job. My actual job is not streaming, as you can probably tell. But, yeah. Engineering. Coding, specifically. Love doing it. Yeah, the code has been good to me so far. I have several jobs coding, and I love them all. And I'm not just saying that. All right, well, I guess we need something to get going. I didn't know you could do that. Let's go ahead with the dependencies then. Gotta get more music going. Oh man, it changed them back to 3 minutes. Changed it to 5 minutes. I'll reload this page. Let's see. I'll put on my music while we're waiting. Alright. Let's go ahead and shamelessly copy this code over a new file. Meme video maker.py. This isn't quite what I want. All right. So now we need to install Pi Tesseract. And that's going to be the interface. That's not a problem. It's going to be the interface for the AI image reader. And let's see. It's actually not right. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, yeah. There it is. Extract text from image. PyTexter has image path. Create meme reader. And so we need your meme image, which will change to meme.jpg. And let's drop a meme.jpg in there and see how it goes. Oops. Not Instagram. Let's see. Where are we at here? Copy path. How do I want to open this file? Oh, okay, yeah. WebP. Can I just save it as a JPEG or no? I don't think you can. Let's see. Where's the music at? Oh, what's going on? Thanks for joining in, y'all. We're doing some stuff with AI. It's gonna be lit. Thanks for joining. Alright. Yo. Can we get a JPEG? Can we filter for JPEGs? So do I still have the path copied? Yeah. Oh, I'm in my no area. Sorry, y'all. It's probably not very fun to watch. Alright. So what we're trying to do right here is we're trying to make a meme maker generator thing. And this is the meme that we have. And if everything works out correctly when we run the code. Oops. If everything works out correctly, it should create an MP4 video with a voiceover. So let's see how that goes. Just making sure, trying to get everything in frame here. I think that's good. Almost. Hold on. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I can see the top of this file. I think it needs a little more, actually. Yeah. Okay. Just want to make sure y'all can see everything. It's important to me for a lot of reasons. Mostly just my ego, though, to be fair. But that's important, right? I said that's important, right? So, welcome to the stream. We are going to be coding with AI. We are going to make a program that will take this JPEG image and convert it to an MP4, and the AI is what's going to read the image and convert it to text, and it's going to use an open source library called Tesseract. It's all very on the high level, all very automatable, and all very useful if you can put your mind to it. So let's see if it works, huh? The moment of truth. Y'all think it's gonna work? Okay, here we go. Ah. Damn. What happened? We got no module named GTTS. Let's see. Python normalizer.exe. Uh-oh. Well, let's see what's up with that. Let's see. Install without any special user. Yeah, I think that's what I need to do. I think I need to run as admin or just run here. Or, yeah, okay. So, I did not get any of these packages. Okay. Very good. Alright. So we're going to run PowerShell as an administrator. And we're going to do these installs again because they did not work earlier when I tried to do them. I'm hoping for the best here. I think it's working. Slowly but surely. Let's see. That last one was kind of weird. I think I want to change it to something else. Doesn't have to be. Let's see. I don't want it to be crazy. Drum and bass is pretty cool. Let's try that. Well, you can do two. You do two categories. Let's see. Dreamy drum and bass. Length 5 minutes. Is it going to generate? I don't know. I think it's broken. Yeah, hold on. Let me try this again. Does it know what I picked? It says it's creating music. Yeah, I think they got some issues with their website here. Alright, so I want a drum and bass. Yeah, that's the first issue. It shouldn't just take you into this creating music thing. It should let you pick your other stuff first, right? Let's just see what this sounds like. Thanks for watching. We're about to get started with the AI. Just got to get the music right. This is drum and bass. Yeah, there it is. Holiday season. That's my favorite one. Oh, man. I gotta pay for these guys, man. This is good stuff. This is valuable music, you know? I think they only want $20 for the lot here. Which, if you set it to 5 minutes, is 5 times 15. What? 750 minutes. So, like, what is that, over 10 hours? I know my math is off. That's 75, isn't it? Yeah, so about an hour and 15. That's pretty good. This is technology. The mood is hopeful. I don't want the mood to be hopeful. I want the mood to be dreamy. Hopeful and dreamy. Hopeful, dreamy, drum and bass technology. I think it's good. Yo, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's pretty good. Might end up being a little frantic. We'll see. Alright, looks like we installed most of everything, but we still need to get GTTS. Alright, good stuff. I'm guessing that I should probably run from here anyway, rather than my little terminal. Gotta get my back right. What's up, SpongeBob? Alright, so let's see if we can copy the relative path there. Fuck. The relative path. Not the relative path, the path. and then CD there. Okay, and then Python meme. What do we call it? Meme video maker? Yeah, meme video maker. Py. Let's see here. Tesseract is not installed, or it's not in your path. Let's see here. Where is the path to Tesseract? Let's see. I think that we can use... See, what did it say again? I'll just copy this. I'm pretty sure I do have Tesseract installed. Let's see. It would be on C, program files, and it would be Tesseract OCR. Restart your Python environment. Add Tesseract installation to your system's path variable. Okay, I may have to do that. First, I'll try the first suggestion, which is to restart the environment here. I don't think I have to do that. I think it was installed prior to me opening PowerShell. Okay. So back in PowerShell. I am running as administrator too. Let's see. This is or it's not in my path. Okay, yeah, that's the second suggestion, is that it needs to be in my path variable. So that means I need to go into environment variables. I need to open up path. And as it's suggesting, I don't see C program files Tesseract exe. So why don't we go ahead and add it? And the music's gone. I'll get better at controlling this live stream eventually. This is an interesting intro to a drum and bass song. Doesn't seem drum and bass at all. I gotta take hopeful off of there. That was terrible. heavy and ponderous, I guess, is what we'll change it to. Sorry, you can't see that. Yeah. It's interesting. Thanks for watching. We will be right back. Welcome back. Me. You were already here. If you're here now, probably. Slim chance you weren't, but I'm watching. I'm watching you. And I think you weren't already there. But welcome. We're doing stuff with AI today. Finally. This is what everybody's been waiting for. And we're doing it. Sorry for the delay. Right now we're listening to AI generated music. This one was created on soundraw.io. It is dreamy, heavy, ponderous drum and bass, in fact. And it just stopped. Sorry about that. I'll do a little adjusting. Headphones plus beanie equals discomfort. As a matter of fact, it's coming off. That's right. Get used to the wig. Oh man, I can hear so much better now too. All right. So as I mentioned, we are coding with React. Sorry, we are coding with Python, and we're coding AI things today. And specifically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make a AI program that will take a meme image, a common meme image, read the text from it, and then create a voiceover MP4 file for it. And once we do that, we'll figure out what else to do with it. But we're gonna stay on AI because I think it's a hot topic, and I need people to view my shit. So view my shit, please. All right. So here we are. We are currently coding, but we're also listening to AI music. This is soundraw.io. And sounds pretty dope, if I gotta say so myself. I generated this myself. You like it? How does it do that? How does it know how to do that? It's a really good melody. Build up. Wow, it's really good at that. It's really good at that. I think that follows a skeletal structure and it must be filled in with music. That's the only way I could see that ever going down with a program. Man, that might be the next thing to make, an AI music generator. I would love to do that. In fact, I will. Okay, so back to the AI stuff. And we had a problem earlier. And I think it might be resolved. But we need to open up PowerShell and see. Oh, no, I remember. What we have to do is we have to add our Tesseract exe to our path, and it's here. And go properties. I'm gonna copy that. Didn't have to. And save that over here. And it's called Tesseract.exe. Okay. And now in my path. Just add it in right there. Easy peasy, I think. Is it still there? Alright, it wasn't, yeah. It's not supposed to be exe. It's just supposed to be the path to the exe, right? Did I save it? Where's the music? Nice. Okay, sweet. I think I'm going to change it away from drum and bass to back to chill hop. It's called lo-fi hip hop. This one, not drum and bass. Absolutely not. It's too much right now. I need to chill. Okay. All right. That's all done. Oh, God. Laid back, heavy and ponderous, sure. Instruments, yeah. Here we go. That works. All right, PowerShell, or possibly don't need it. Let's try it just here. Yeah, it says we're not found. So we'll go to PowerShell, run as admin. I'm gonna copy this path. CD in there. Python meme movie maker.py. Just stabilize my camera. Is it tilted? Tilty? Going. Oh, I mean video maker. Not movie. I got my terms mixed up. Nice. Alright, so the Tesseract worked, I believe. And we can prove that by playing this.
I will post this on Reddit.
And we can verify that that came from the text. And caveat here, I noticed it only reads text from the white part of the meme, so you might have to pick I don't know how I'm supposed to zoom out on that. Okay, there we go. You might be able to pick only certain memes that work like this. There is, of course, things that you can do programming wise to deal with that. You can come up with different interfaces. You can try all the different types of memes in a loop, and then just run it through another AI that will recognize which ones are actually okay. Now, I haven't done any of that yet, but I'm very new to this. But this is cool so far. It did not make the video, the video clip, and I know why, and we'll just have to fix it right now, and that's part of why being a programmer is so cool nowadays, because I can just go in and fix this. It's not a problem. So the problem is that this needs to be an audio clip file, not a video clip file. Right. And I think that needs to be imported here. And I think it's gonna act differently. Actually, no, I think that's it. Let's try it. I guess it's not there in movie.editor. I guess it's there. Copilot is suggesting that it's there. And it probably knows better than me. Let's see. It says it's not there. Okay. One last guess, and then I'm gonna GPT it. No, I'm just gonna skip right to the GPT. We'll just do the imports, I think. Let's see, back to Mr. GPT. Mr. GPT. Alright. From where is audio clip files supposed to be imported here? It's just called audio clip. Is that gonna work? str object is not callable. Let's see. I'm GPT it again because I have no idea. Let's see. I'm getting str object is not callable for the audio clip initialization. Audio file. It's not audio clip file, it's audio file clip. See? Why would I know that? Why the hell would I know that? I'm not some autist. I just like making stuff. Alright. Did it do anything? Let's see. I don't see my It says at least one output file must be specified. Output path. It's never defined. Oh. It is specified. I'll just make this file real quick. I can make the file in Python. I just want to test and see if that's what it is. At least one. I don't have no idea what this is. Let's see. Is that an error? Failed to read the duration of the file. Temp frame. Okay. Yeah, it needs something. It's gonna have to reframe it in some way, and I have, again, no idea how to do that. Shameless. Yeah. It's got to convert it to a little video clip first. I'm gonna have to definitely create a class for this video interface. That's something I could use. Once I do that, I think I'll be able to plug in little bits of things. Make this a lot easier. It might be something to do. Maybe next stream, maybe this stream. Maybe any stream. Maybe I'll go take a piss, and that'll be the next stream. In the next sense. Oh, we just listened to this one. Let's listen to a different one. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's probably too loud, too. Cut it a bit. Cut it! Good Lord. I cannot believe that I was able to repost the exact same video. Oh, and I'm about to do it again. And it got me a subscriber. That is just insane. think that this one has died out. Last view was at 4:38 a.m. Ocean background meme. Is that what people think this is? Ocean background? Alright, so check this out real quick. Get rid of this. So if I go over to, what is it, reach, and then I look at the YouTube search term, the highest portion of anything came from this thing called ocean background meme. I don't know what that is. Oh my god, that's so funny. Alright. I'm gonna check something. What do we have for the text to speech?
You have selected Microsoft David as the default voice.
You have selected Microsoft Mark as the default voice.
What's that funny meme British voice? There's a really funny one that I want to get. What's it called? Loquendo? Let's see. Is it Loquendo? What is this? I don't think this is what I want. Is it?
Hi, how can I help you?
Let's see. English. Let's see. They said his name was Loquendo. I don't know if it's...
Hi, how can I help you? Great, no problem.
Oh, I
Your
like that.
transaction is complete. Have a great day.
Oh, I
Feel
like
free
Daniel.
to type anything else, and even choose another voice.
Oh, I like Daniel. What do I do here? So... Enterprise. Dragon? Enjoy the demo. Gwyneth Paltrow. No. I don't think this is it. Male. AI speech to... No. Text to speech. British, damn it. British. British. Brian. Yes.
Fuck you pussies.
Awesome. This is exactly what I was looking for.
Fuck you pussies.
Let me inspect this real quick. Material. Button. Download. Let's see what happens when I download it. In the network tab, specifically. So that's the request payload. Anything else interesting about the request? E-tag. That's in the response, though. I see nothing. This looks like I can just use it. If I have Postman, it looks like I can just post to it. I mean, it's worth a shot. I haven't used Postman in a freaking long time, so hopefully it's not gonna be a bitch and update forever. Dismiss. Sign in, sure. Signing into Postman, I guess. Gotta sign into everything nowadays. What is it with it? What happened to the good old days when you can just buy a disc in a back alley and be done with it? Postman or postman? Which do you say? Postman or postman? I say I don't give a shit. I just signed in, so I remember doing it. I was right here. They just said it's great to have you on board. Apparently I work at Postman. No. All right, well, fuck Postman. Yeah, fuck Postman. We're gonna use ChatGPT Postman. No, fuck you. You had your chance. All right. Let's see. Do. Okay. We'll try the create parts. I think you just do the raw headers. I can do this from PowerShell too. I don't even have to do Python. I don't have to do Python. Yes, I shamelessly use ChatGPT for pretty much everything Python. And I'm sorry if you expected a hardcore Python coder or whatever. It's not me. And this kind of stuff is pretty hardcore. And once it gets going, I'm sure it'll be, I don't know, more interesting. Fuck. What do you want from me? Alright. So, yeah. And then where it goes. I gotta clean it up for them. Man, I'm glad I don't have to type all that. Well, sir, I believe you've got your work cut out for you. Yeah, you should apologize. Don't let it happen again. Alright. Let's check it. Live. It's red, so it must be bad. System.net.web request. Now I know a thing about system.net.web request, and because I did a little bit of C#, and if you ever work with web request, I think you're supposed to use a web request factory, and you're supposed to recycle it throughout your application. It's not going to be an issue for us, but if you're ever coding with C# and you are using web requests, they have a destructor that doesn't destroy the pooled connection. So what was happening to us is we were getting like thousands of pooled connections, and it was exhausting all the connections, and we were kind of like, you know, adding resources to it unnecessarily and all this stuff. And it turns out that it was a defect with the web request class. And their solution was to use the factory, create a singleton, and then each time you need to produce a web request, you call create instance, which creates a new instance of the web request, and it handles the destruction as well. It uses a connection pool that's persistent via the singleton. C# coding. Like and subscribe if you want to do C# coding. You can do C# coding next too. I'm actually pretty good at that. Alright, GPT. GPT! What you got for me? Let's see. Okay, so pip install requests. Shouldn't be that big. And then for now, as per best practices, we go comment everything out, bitch. Oops. Cannot open file. Oh. What? That ain't right. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. Let me remove that panic delete. We're chilling. Look at that. It actually did post. Okay. That is insane. Okay. So that means that we're able to create a an API interface, a real one, for getting this British voice. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So we're gonna set up a folder here called API, and this is called read aloud. And I know me, man, and I like variety, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make this nice, because I think I'm gonna use this. It's time we all start souping up our lives with AI, and this is where we're gonna start. Use this for Instagram. Use this for your life, my friend. All right. What's up? Welcome. We're just hanging out. So we're making a something that converts a video. No, sorry, converts an image, a meme image, to an MP4 video, right? And so to do that, we need to have Tesseract, which is the AI library that can read the text from an image. It's one of them. It's just the one that's easiest to get started with, I guess. So we're gonna get that going. Actually, I want to extract that out to its own library too, so got a lot of work to do. First things first, I'm actually going to extract the read aloud API into its own interface. And, you know, I'm not necessarily a Python guy too, so this is going to be a little bit new to me. But all these libraries are so readily available and it's so easy to get going that, you know, I just have to kind of try and see where it goes. And I'm already starting to get, you know, it's already starting to get cumbersome here. So, let's see. I'm wondering how far I want to go with this. Yeah, because I'm probably going to have other parts of this that are going to make requests to be real. API integration is definitely going to be something that we're going to have to do. Now, as far as integrating an API goes, we have a bunch of different things that we can look at and ways to do it, but I think I want to keep it simple and stupid. And I mean really stupid. So for our API, I think I'm in the no-no area. Alright, so for our API, as I was saying, we're going to keep it very simple. We're going to have authenticate, which is going to be bypassable. And we're going to have request, which seems to be very, very simple. And I think that's it. And we'll create a class for response. And I guess a request class as well. So these will be classes. And then these will be methods. Classes are not I guess, yeah. API.request. I think the class will be outside of the API class. There's nothing in the class itself. We don't even have to do a class. We just do a definition. Or, I'm sorry, a function. I think I'll do it that way. This song sucks. Let me change this. Hold on. I'm gonna change it back to fucking, just chill hop. But I have to set it to, like, I set it to ambient. Maybe that'll set the mood. I don't want it to suck. It's gonna suck if it doesn't play nothing. Put this music on. This is my music. It's definitely not as chill as this AI music though. This stuff is winter. Oh, got it. There we go. What's up? Nice to see y'all. Good morning. I don't know what y'all are doing up. I'm on a coding bender. Sorta. We're not really getting anything done. Just hanging out. So, the API class that we're gonna make is not gonna be class at all. It's just gonna be file. I guess. It's not gonna be called API at all. It's just gonna be called request. There's something about my back here. Alright. Doing alright. I just gotta spread the legs a little bit. Posture. Posture. I need that. I need that. Thank you. I think I need a new mic stand or something. Armable one. Pull it in like a radio host. That's what I need. Right now I got a floor stand one and it kind of sucks ass. Need to invest in that. Nice arm mic stand. Just like that. Oh my god, it's cheap. Oh, you know I'm gonna buy one. The radio DJ shit coming in. Coming at you live. Blah 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 blah. Alright. Let's just jump into the code. I'm tired of doing this. Talking stuff. We'll change our API folder to util. For now. We will have an API folder. I don't know why I did that. Let's put a new file in there. These are going to be functions. Request.py. Def request pass. It's like it's telling me that it's like it's telling me that it doesn't want to do it. It's like pass. I'm not gonna do that shit. Hold on. Okay, so we need a function definition here though, or a parameter list. There we go. But we need a type. Alright, that looks pretty good. So we're going to pass in a method. It's going to either be get, post, put, or delete. And then we're going to return the response. And I don't know, it seems like it's not typed, so we can return whatever the fuck we want. Do I need anything else? I'm not very Python savvy, I'll admit it. I'll be the first to admit it. Excuse me 1 second. Starting to get a little bit sweaty. All right. So my question, I'll just answer it with code. Shall I answer it with code? I believe I shall. So instead of all that, I have no idea. GPT. Alright, so this one I just listened to. Let's go with this one. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. We're chilling. doing a little bit of Python. But I'm still a noob at Python. So I'll be the first to admit to you that I'll just use ChatGPT for pretty much everything. So my question is, I have this request, util/request py file. Can you demo how I can use it in my main.py file? So I guess it's the dot notation in Python. So yeah. I think I can do equals none. If headers is none. Looks like it's indented too much, but that's probably the Python. I don't know if you could do that in Python. You can. I've seen that done before. Might as well check it. Let's see. What's up, GPT? Is this valid Python? That's what's up. Yes. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Cause I don't want to specify the header here. So request google.com. Let's make a request to google.com. Let's see what that does for us. Yo, thanks for watching. Don't be shy in the chat. Yeah, that ain't right. From missing schema. Let's see. I think I'm missing something. Missing schema. What the hell? What does that mean? Anybody know what that means? Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. What did it say? Missing schema? Oh, it says invalid URL. Okay, yeah, that's actually pretty good. That means everything is correct. I was confused by the schema word, but it meant that as in the part of the URL. There we go. We got... I don't like PyCache there. I guess that could be ignored. But yeah, there we go. We got a request class, which is great. So I'll leave that there. And now I will create another folder called API. Mic out of the way. see my beautiful face. Here it is. All right. First of all, that's not necessarily something I want. Yeah, I don't want it to be none. I think it should be a blank object. I'm not sure. Let's see. All right, let's ask GPT if this is safe. Is this a safe default for headers? Mutable. No, I don't want that. Yeah. Okay. It raises a really good point here. Okay, so there's sometimes that you do want one of your arguments to be mutable, and that's particularly important with recursion. Recursion is when you want to call the same function over and over again. And for doing something like collecting an unknown amount of items from a list of unknown length, where you don't know how many things to iterate over, it could be lists of lists that have varying length. You may want to pass in a collection parameter to scoop up everything as you're going, and then pass it back into the function, and then eventually at some point decide that it's time to return that entire array. And that's why you might want a mutable argument. But in Python, since everything is so loosey-goosey and woo, good vibes, man, you can just pass an array right where a string might go, and if there's no explicit type coercion, then you might end up with something unexpected, and that sucks. But I would think that anyone worth his salt in Python would be able to, parameterize properly and make sure that that doesn't happen to the users of their code. But since I'm the only user of my code, I will be nice to myself. Guys, thanks for watching. It means so much to me. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I need the love. I love your love. Thanks for watching. So, checking on my YouTube short performance, which, by the way, interesting fact. Did you know that if you repost a short and you don't have a lot of subscribers, I guess I could say it has the potential to do even better than the first time you posted it, or at least do shit. I'm up to 70% of what I was doing before, which is incredible, given that I re-uploaded it. You know, your intuition would tell you, don't do that. That's like, it's either bad artistic behavior or it's not going to work because people have already seen it. But that's the thing. You know how many subscribers people haven't seen it yet. So you just keep posting that shit. Probably monitor the like to dislike ratio. And at a certain point, I don't know, maybe see if you're losing subscribers. Oh man, I don't want to lose subscribers. That's another thing. I think that the subscribers want original content, and I want to give it to them. I know that there are real subscribers, and I really appreciate them. I don't know. I think that there are mostly like fake subscribers that YouTube just gives, which is cool. I mean, I'll take them. You know, it makes me look like I have more subscribers and people want to join. That's the thing. People want to join to things that people are already joined to. Yeah, I know you do too. You look when you see how many subscribers I have. You know, you're checking. You're saying, oh, she's got 30 subscribers. I'm not really into that. I don't know. Something's going on there. I don't want. That's damaged goods. Damaged goods. That's too much baggage. Not too much baggage. Anyway, still getting views on this. That is insane, I guess. Here, let's see. 60 minutes. There was a view at 5 something a.m. Not too many views. 3 views in the last hour. That's not very many at all. And 0 views on the live stream. Guys, there's a live stream going on. Come on. Sunday morning. Easy like Sunday morning. Ooh, it's butter smooth. Alright, where were we? Let's see. We are. Let's see. I think I need a new thumbnail. How's that? Seem happier? I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it when I can retouch my teeth. And then probably make my light a little less white so that my teeth look less yellow. They are yellow though. I need to brush them. What's up, y'all? Thanks for watching. Alright. So, once again, we made a request function in Python. We tested it out, it works. So we're gonna move to creating a API for the read aloud. And so we'll create a new file. And I think that the tradition with Python is to use underscores. Not like a camel case or clear case or whatever the hell it's called. Humpy case. So we want to create a new file. And we're going to call it read aloud. readaloud.py. And the function that we're trying to create is def read aloud TTS. First thing we're going to import here from util request import TTS. And the request that we were trying to reproduce, I actually deleted here. Go ahead and back up and get it. It's this stuff. This is the goodies. And up here we're going to have URL. And we're going to do def create parts, which is going to make that request. Let's see, is that the actual request? Do I still have it on text? So we go Sublime here. No, hold on. There it is. Alright, so just copy this all to right here. Alright, read aloud. Wait, where the hell was I just then? Oh, I was on the wrong class. Oops. From util dot request import request. Okay, hold on. Where's my music at? I need my jams so that I can jam. I need to jam, guys. Where are my jams? What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. If you're tuning in. If you're tuning out, let's chill. I get it. We all got some stuff to do. Dooski stuffski. You know. Anyway, back to the Python. We started with React, went to Python, and I think it's proved that it didn't have a noticeable effect. I'm still getting impressions. And I did get a view. I still believe in this Python stuff. I think people really want to see it. I think that in when we go and we look at this live stream, how many people are going to click on it afterwards? I think there's going to be quite a few compared to the React. That's just my guess. I think people are interested in this. So, what needs to be here looks like this. So SSML, I guess, is their markup. I don't see any other reason to not to just concatenate those things together. Also, I want to give him as the default voice. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that there. Because I think that there's going to be one up from this. This is not going to be the one that's exposed. If we were doing a public Can you do public? Can you do def public? I don't know. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. I just need functions. I just need the functions, man. Got any more of them functions, man? Alright. So, to do the SSML, what we're going to do is concatenate these things together. Now, what is that? Python. That's how you do that in Python? Right there? That looks weird to me. It looks like something should go there like this. We'll see. We will see. But this is the entire thing that I need for my body. In theory, that's what we need for create parts. And so logically we'll do get parts next. Alright, so I gotta take a look. Perhaps I still have it open. Perhaps it's in my console here. The response that I got. Just run it again. Print it out in a moment. But for the sake of moving forward, let me just assume that it's something. No, this is something that I don't think I have to assume because I think I still have this open. And look, I don't even have to assume anything. I can just say that this is the response. And I think I just returned 0 like this. I don't want it to break. If I really don't want, I'll do a catch-all error handling. I don't want to keep having to do exception blocks all over the fucking place. Yeah, this is not, I didn't do that in the right place. So as far as the get parts goes, actual what I'm trying to post is called Q is the tag that I need to use, so this is not right. And I don't think I need this, and I'm just gonna try to leave that out. And we're just going to add this in. Parts IDs. No wonder you're confused. So in Python, I guess I need this. I don't know if it matters. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I have defaults for all of those. Jeez. How's it going, everybody? Thanks for waking up with me in the morning. We are coding Python. The commonly used language. And we are trying to create a meme extractor video generator thing. But we're setting up with best practices right now. We're setting up different functions for different things. This one is the API for read aloud, which I just learned that you can just ping. There's no security, there's no cookies or anything like that. You can just ping it and it will give you the MP3, or at least in theory it will. I still haven't actually downloaded it using Python, but yeah, I think hopefully it'll work. Shit, I don't know. If it doesn't work, I can just use the TTS open source library, GTTS, global whatever. So this should be good. Oh, we need one more thing. Be able to do this like this in Python. Python. You ever heard an Australian dude say Python? Fucking Python. Oi. He's got a real Python. Still working on it. Is this valid, Python? Valid Python. I'm not Australian. No, I'll keep it like this. Alright. So the other thing that we need here is gonna be save as. I'm gonna go ahead and bitch about this, because if there's really no way for me to break this up, then Python kind of sucks for that. I know that you can do that on a an array when you're defining one. You can have all of the items in a. Let's see. Is there any way to refactor this to make it to where the concatenations occur on different lines? Yeah, I guess I was just missing one. I don't want the default here. I think I do want to give it a default voice ID of Brian, right? I like Brian. I've seen this practice of putting your globals at the top. It's essentially the same thing as having a class and these are your constants and shit. Just a different way of doing it. I have to check and see. I don't think that's... Yeah, so... I'm wondering, should I have the list of options? Yeah, why not? Fuck. I don't want to have to keep coming back to this. I'm serving myself right now. Because this is who I'm coding for. Me! And whoever else wants to steal this from me. All I'll say about this is definitely going to be the last time that I stream this particular thing. All I can say is keep your eyes open. Anyway. So default speed is that. And that's the voice. And I'm trying to find where I got the list. I need the response here. It doesn't give me the response. I got a response headers, so I'll copy those. So this is for create parts here. This one down here. Forget parts. Alright, and the payload. But we know that already, actually. We already implemented that. Hey. Okay, so. The other part of this. Narration. Response. Request headers. I need that. Oops, I put that in the wrong place. The response is a download. It's not JSON response. It's going to be return the MP3 file. Is that... Oh yeah, I have a request class here. I'm probably specifying that it's returning JSON in the request for read aloud here. And that's why it's saying, you know, you're going to be getting JSON back. And that's well and good, except we're not. So we'll need to define our headers. And so here are our headers. And so we'll kindly ask only add the appropriate headers. So in our request class over here, headers is the second argument. We'll go ahead and do all that too. All right. And then get rid of that. So we'll return the MP3 file. Excuse me. All right. That looks better. All right, sweet. Now, I'm just going to make a new main Python file and use this old one as a reference. And so, like I said, a new main.py. And so from api.read aloud import speech to text. Text to speech. I always get them mixed up. Have to run to the bathroom real quick. Thanks for watching. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Be right back. Welcome back, me. We are still working with Python, and we are coding in it with our code, which is here. Specifically, what we're doing is we're trying to make a request class so that we can pass in some text and get some speech sound back. And we're using it in a program that will read a meme image and create an MP4 with a voiceover. And we basically have it. We just need to get this excuse me, API interface finished, because we are coding with best practices today. All right, now we just created a main Python file, Python, And we need to import the text-to-speech function into main. So we have main here, I think. And that should be it. All right. Whoa. I think I have a bug in here with me or something. Something big just hit my arm. I'm gonna check on that actually. Oh, I don't see nothing. I'm out here in a streetcar, and it's pretty chill most of the time, but bugs can get in. Gotta work on that. Just don't have time. Too busy Pythoning it up. Python. Big Python. Yep. So we're just chilling. Coding with Python. And I'm about to run it. Python. Oops. Python main.py. Uh-oh. Unterminated literal. Somewhere we have an unterminated literal. Is it this? I think that it's not going to like my underscores. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of them. I don't need them in my life. I lied when I said that was best practice. I thought it was. It's okay to think stuff, isn't it? How's that go? I guess it doesn't care. It doesn't like the comma. It wants to be terminated. Maybe it's one of those naughty commas. I'm just going to get rid of that user agent. When did it do it? Let's see. I definitely didn't hear it. It never saves it. This is the file, though. That's the problem. This is the actual file, I believe. Can I print a file? I guess not. Can I print anything? Hold on. Yeah, you're not calling main here. That's the problem. Your shit's messed up. Hold on. That's it. Nice. Alright. Now we're actually into the real problems of this program. Which is a good thing, right? Okay, so the real problem comes at create parts return response.json, and it doesn't want to be JSON. I bet you. I bet you. I bet you. All right. So for create parts, the definition of the function. Excuse me. Freaking back. My back. All right. So in here, it's a little smaller. Sorry, y'all. It's not even very centered on the screen. I apologize. All right. Let me make myself a little smaller, actually. Or just less in the way. I strive to be less in the way. How did that go? I think that went pretty well. What's going on, y'all? Thanks for tuning in. We're coding with Python. Let's go. Now, let's just return the response. And we'll see what happens there. I'm expecting another error. Now, again, read aloud line 54. We got get parts ID. And it says response object is not subscriptable. So let's go ahead and try content. Byte indices must be integers or slices, not string. So what does that tell you? It needs to be decoded. There is a required positional argument missing. Let's go ahead and see what that is after we get the music going again. Probably can't hear the music as good. That's probably better. Alright. So what are we gonna do here? Well, the speed is this. Oh man, I'm tired. I should not have woke up as early as I did. My wife's gonna hear that. Laugh her ass off. She probably won't hear it though. I'm gonna go inside quick pretty soon. Let's get this going though. Alright, so this is saying I have a positional argument that's missing. What is that? For get parts, it says, right? Right, yeah, I need to pass it in. Originally, I didn't have it because I had it defaulted on the other, but I want it default on the front-facing thing. And I also want this to default too. Okay. That way I could just text-to-speech, text. I want the British guy. I want it at that speed. Let's go. I don't need any other shit. Because that's mostly what I'm going to reach for here. That's as sophisticated as it needs to be. Let's see. GPT? Where's my GPT at? Is there a way to break up this args list to different lines in Python? Man, that's the thing about Python. GPT loves it some Python. I don't like that, but I've seen that a lot, so. No default text. Back over here. I am 12 years old. Why the fuck would it say that? Why would it say I'm 12 years old, dude? Why? I'm changing that. I'm 12 years old. The fuck? Jesus, man. Alright, let's see. Can only concatenate string, not a method. Okay. So, where's the method that it's trying to... Line 43. Which one is the method, though? Let's see. I mean, it's one of these three. take much time guessing. Why is this saying that I can't concatenate a method with a string on line 43? Yes, I know, this is terrible. Missing comma? Alright. Alright, what's going on? Okay, so I think we just have to say, read aloud URL. I feel like I've heard this melody somewhere. Like this AI program ripped it off, kind of. Oh, what's going on, guys? Thanks for watching. We're sitting here unlocking our potential with AI, kind of. It's a slow process, but I promise that the fireworks at the end are worth it. Can't concatenate a method in a string. Yeah, because I still probably have a URL somewhere. Wow, really? Why don't we just, Oh, part ID. What is this? This is a method here? Print ID. Exit. Can you just exit in Python? It will print it right before it gets the error. So it says it's a 500 response. Uh-oh. So what happens when I call it? Let's see. Let's see then. I didn't want to do print ID. Okay, it has to do print ID like that. Parts.map is not a function. This is HTML. Let's get that music going again. Alright, let's see what this HTML is trying to tell us. I know we gotta test HTML somewhere. Oh well. Exe. Easy. Test.htm. All files. Save. This doesn't look like the right URL. So for the create parts, I'm thinking that I'm not having the right method. Let's see here. That stuff might be necessary, I don't know. I did make this work once before and it did not return HTML, so I gotta think it's the headers. I gotta think it's the headers. I have the actual Python code that I was using earlier. Yeah, here it is. Part of it. So, let's see. Let me back a little bit. Yo, forgive me if I fall asleep on stream. I'm just way too chill. Alright, so for this returning HTML, that sucks. Let's see what it does now. Still HTML, huh? Okay. Music. Yeah. Oh, thanks for tuning in, guys. All right. Why are we returning HTML? Of all things. This is just the original code here. I'll just move that over into my main real quick. Just as a quick sanity check. To ensure that I did not hallucinate this. I have been known to hallucinate. Just like my AI companion. We hallucinate together. We talk about it. It's just a really chill vibe. All right. I did not mean min. I meant to comment that out. Python is not my first language. It's not even my second by far. See, that works too. Oh, so the question is, what's the difference? I see a pretty big glaring difference. This one's an array. I don't think this one's an array. In my... yeah. Not an array. So let's go ahead and get rid of all this here. Right. And then we'll uncomment here. Yep. And then we'll bring back this lovely AI music. That was weird. I'd be pissed off if I got that in my music. Just a few seconds of silence. And I paid for it. I'm happy I'm not paying for it. Alright. Looks like we do have everything working now. In main.py. And there's our narration.mp3 file. But there's nothing in it yet.
Hello, my name is John Smith.
And there you have it. There is our text-to-speech generator, finally.
Hello, my name is John Smith.
It was there, or wasn't there, and now it's there. So, let's make it say something funnier. Or, whatever. Let's just make it say something else. Prove that I'm not lying. Oh my god, I hate Python. Yeah.
Hello, my name is John Smith. Please subscribe to my channel.
Did everybody hear that?
Hello, my name is John Smith. Please subscribe to my channel.
That's right. Anything you wanted to say. Alright, well, let's bring it home. Let's create one more folder. New folder. We'll call this AI. I think. Let's see. I have to refer to the original one here. Yeah, there's another one to come in here too. And I think it's going to end up being in util, although util has kind of ended up being pretty... Yeah, it's going to go in util. A new file. And we'll just call it media. .py. And the main goal, sorry, reposition my camera on myself. The main goal of this media class is going to be our interface for media. And the main thing that we're trying to do with media is create a video. And I think I'm going to create a class for a video. Excuse me. Probably on the next video, though. This one I'll just get away with just a quick function, and it's going to be def create audio file. How about just create file? Def create file. No, not from freaking URL. Exactly. That's all. That's all I wanted. Just a simple create file. Just create the file. Put it in a try catch, but I don't want to. I'm going to have that left to my own doing on the outer interface. That's excuse me. That's ridiculous. I don't want to create video like that. This will move in as a comment. For the sake of the context, you know that context is important, especially text is like one of the only things. Let me see. Oh, this is where it has to use the AI. Okay. I'll put a to-do here. So I'm going to create a video clip from the image. That's actually not what it's doing. It's from text. Right? No, it's not. It has nothing to do with the text. I'm not sure why it's got text and it's filling it in. It's old. That's irrelevant. Font. It's not. All I need is the image. All I need is the image. From image. That's all I need. FPS is not going to be 1. Actually, yeah, that works. Now this part right here, let's see, image sequence clip. Yeah, that looks pretty unique to what I'm doing here. So I'm going to leave all that as unparameterized. And then, so the next part of it, so that's creating the video clip for the image. I'll tell you what though, I think I do want to pass in a duration there. Yeah, that's one way to do it. Just show a frame. I don't know if FPS can go. Can FPS go with not an integer? You can't have half a frame in a second, but in theory, you can. It could be on a different clock. Now the output path is going to contain the file name. I'm okay with that. Now create a video clip from an image. Now the problem with this, I think, is that it requires audio. This is like going to do the entire thing. Creating a video clip with an image. And then the sound is going to be the other thing. So, I mean, to break this up into little smaller bits, it's going to be, you know, create the file. I mean, it's going to be the entire fucking thing. If I find a better way to, better way to break this up. See. Diff create audio file from text. I don't want to use GTTS. I want to use my TTS from and not GTS. Although there's good case to be made for creating like a abstract interface where I can switch them out. It would be pretty dope. Alright, still looking good, but not really testing what I'm working on right now. Create the video clip. Let's see. Just create the image. Well, we also need to create the file from text. Yes, that looks good. Now the text comes from reading the... So... Let's see. So here we'll need to make a tesseract class. New file. Not there. Def read text from image. I'm just gonna go fast because I'm tired and I want to. Okay. That is the tesseract class. Read text from image. And so in the media class, in order to create a video clip from the image, we have to read the text from image. So from AI.tesseract, import read text from image, which is what I just created. And we'll comment this out for now. And we'll say text. No. Text. Wait, no, wait. Yes, probably image. Load the image. I don't think that's right. Whatever. We'll just see what it does for us. Okay, so in main, all right, let's see if it works. It's telling me that Tesseract is not installed, or it's not on my Pi or my path formation. But I could have sworn I'd done that before. And I may have to be using PowerShell again. Let's see here. Reveal and explore. Does it have anything in it? No. It's corrupt. What happens if I leave it? Let's see. Oh, man. Oh, you know what? Ha. I need to run main.py. Let's see. At least one output file must be specified. Okay. I think that's going to be... I need to create that file. Let's see. Where's main? Oh. If I just create this file, will it work? Come on, create the file. Main gats all day. Let's see. No, it's still saying at least one output must be specified. And it's going to... Where is it? 44 of media. Okay, so what's on 44 of our media file? What's it saying again? Do I have? Yeah, I do have temp frame.png. That looks good. It did that correctly. So, what the hell? Tesseract is not installed. Oh yeah, that's the other one. Oof. Need to quit soon. I guess there's no output file specified for that. The image clip. Let's see, video clip file. Let's see. All right, GPT. Let me get rid of this one. I don't think that's in use, is it? That's useless. Useless function. Let's see. Create video clip. Python main. And what we want to do, run this again, get the same error. Or sorry. Too sleepy. right. And then for GPT, gotta put some music back on. I think that's the question. Two alone. Okay. I guess I'll try that then. Thanks for the suggestion. I don't think I'm going to take it right away. Hold on. Alright, so let's look where we're at. This is the bad part. Load the image frame. That's not even right. If it's going to be that, then it should be that, right? Oh, duh. Yeah, I keep falling for the same thing. Getting really sleepy. Performance is starting to suffer. I might have to stop. That's what she said. I don't know what that lambda's for. Let's see. Just because you can't hear it doesn't mean it doesn't make a sound. But I guess it doesn't actually make a sound. Let's see, do we have our... this?
Hello, my name is John Smith. Please subscribe to my channel. I will post this on Reddit.
That's the one we want.
I will post this on Reddit.
Alright. Nearly there. There's our video. Let's power through it. Okay. So media. I do like that. I don't want to set it to blank audio. Yeah, so this is the audio file clip that I should be using right here. I'm not sure why it's not being used, but that's why you can't really trust GPT to do it fully for you. This gets you 90% of the way there. Pretty much, sometimes, if you're lucky. So, not this, don't need that. Do need that. And let's try it. So now I have the video here. It has no duration. GPT? Let's see you redeem yourself, GPT. Alright. Got the image clip, huh? Like that? Is that going to extend it? This seems like it won't. My brain tells me that it won't, but let's see. None type object has no attribute. Duration? None type? It's returning none? Yeah, sure it is. I don't know if this is good Python or not. This might be really bad Python. Let me ask GPT if this is good Python. I'm not even using create video, am I? I might be somewhere not realizing it. I will keep it just in case. I don't want to fuck shit up. Oh my god. Is this good Python? Works for me. All right. Okay. So the file. This might not be necessary because now I know that it's returning a none type. Okay. What is it saying? What the hell is it saying? I don't know. Did it work? Did it work? I think the OS. I gotta import OS. Once I do that, it'll be less noisy. Shit. Bytes object has no attribute write audio file. GPT, I don't have time for this shit. What the hell did it say? Bytes object had no attribute write audio file. I don't think that's right. I'll try it. I don't think that's right though. I don't think that's right. Nah, I don't. I have bytes here that I'm returning. So the question is, what do I do with the bytes? And that really bytes. Now this is saying that it's an audio file clip, but it's not an audio file clip, and that's part of the problem. So I'm going to change this to bytes equals this. Audio file clip equals this. I guess, do I even need that? It's not blank, though. Is this all I need? And then for this... It's not going to return anything like I did. Move on with my freaking life. Hey, no errors. I like no errors.
I will post this on Reddit.
Oh shit, yeah, I will.
I will post this on Reddit. I will post this on Reddit.
Alright, there we go. Shall we do another meme? I think so. Let's see. A meme. So what kind of meme are we gonna get? How about animal memes? Everybody likes those. Open image in a new tab. Can I just open the image in a new tab? So yeah, we'll just save it here for now. I mean, I can a million ways I can do it. I'd like to make it to where I don't need to prime it with these things. So, let's see. There's a lot we can do with it. This is just the first day of creating a program that works pretty well, I think. We'll see how well it works when we test it for the second time. Actually, it's very early just to claim something like it works well. Alright, so I'm going to move all this into my back folder. Rename this to meme. JFIF. Can I just say JPEG? I hope so. Oh, JPG. There are ways that we can deal with that. I could read it. Oh yeah, duh. I didn't need those files. There's the video.
When you explain something 17 times and they still don't get it.
Alright. I think that's a wrap. Well, that did it. There we go. That did it. We used AI and we used an API that we created and I didn't even know existed before this stream, to be honest. And we hooked it up and we used best practices, set up functions and abstractions for creating a both an interface for the API and the speech-to-text platform, which is called Read Aloud. So we hooked those up and we created a meme generator. And we hooked those up and we created a meme image to video creator, and it will read the text from the meme aloud in a funny British voice. So thanks for watching. That'll do it for now. If you like this, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you in the next